What's the meaning of antique? Antique. 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 Antique.
Antique refers to items that are old and have historical or aesthetic value. These items are usually at least 100 years old and may include furniture, jewelry, artwork, or collectibles. Antiques are often sought after by collectors or enthusiasts who appreciate their unique characteristics, craftsmanship, and historical significance. The value of an antique item is typically determined by its rarity, condition, age, and provenance. Owning and displaying antiques can be a way of connecting with the past and preserving cultural heritage for future generations.